Oh, it just never stops here at Good e-Reader, doesn't it? This is the brand new 2023 Bigme S6 Color. It has a 3000 milliamp battery, a color 7.8-inch screen, 6 gigs of RAM, and 128 gigs of onboard storage. No, this device has nothing to do with Good e-Reader. We are not co-branding this one. As you see, there is no Good e-Reader logo on there, so it is just a completely separate product. They actually also have this, which is very similar to all the other products they have, because the way their boxes are laid out, they actually can't fit it in. How do you open that? Oh, right there. They actually can't fit it inside this box, so we'll open this in a second. But first, let us pull this open and see what we're working with here. Just for you, that's their little, I don't know, saying, slogan, I guess you could say. And we're going to open this and see what's inside. Yep, a little bit of a foam insert, very nice, because devices need to be protected. And unfortunately, we're still going with plastic here. I wonder what kind of pen they're going to use. I hope it's the one with the no laser pointer at the back, because that's a little bit useless. But we'll see. Nope, it has the laser pointer at the back. This is the one with the laser pointer that fits to the galley and actually has the 2-pin copper contact for charging and magnetics. Let us pull this out and put this off to the side. Look at the rest of the box. I kind of feel if they made this a slightly deeper with less foam at the bottom, they could maybe throw the accessories in there, but that's neither here nor there. What do we have in here? Oh, certification came out for certain certification stamps, and we have, well, this is nicely packed in there. We have a warranty card, you want to hold on to that, and a quick start guide if you have any questions as to how to use this. It's in multiple languages: English, Italian, Spanish, French, Chinese, etc., and you can read all about what's going on with your unit. What is inside this little accessory box, you ask? Well, that is a good question, because it seems to vary quite drastically from device to device. So we're going to check it out right now. Accessory. It's probably going to be the USB cable and maybe some tips and maybe a SIM card / SD card removal tool. Nope, we have the USB and we have some tip-a-doos. What kind of tips are they using? They are using... Oh, look, there it is. Yep, wow, that's a pretty hefty removal tool, to be completely honest. And the tips they are using are standard Wacom tips. So, remarkable, Onyx, it's all going to fit. Let's put all this off to the side and bring in the feature product right here. This is the S6 Color, everyone. It is only 3 weeks into January of 2023, and we have had 3 color releases. Mu Ink, Bigme, and High Read. This is crazy, guys. This is the fastest and most color releases of any year so far. No joke, because remember in 2022, all year last year, there were only 5. And in the first 3 weeks of this year, there's already 3. So it looks like they do have a camera at the back. Bigme's all about cameras. And they have a camera at the top instead of on the side. And this is looking really nice. There's no ledger on the side. They've actually gone away from copying basically Remarkable and everyone else in the industry. And they have a 4-pin copper contact for peripherals on that side. You have the 2-pin for charging. And on the bottom, you have microphones, USB-C. And on the top, you have your SIM card, SD card. And you have, or there could be SIM. Let's check it out. I honestly don't know if there's cellular on this. Bigme has been very engaged in cellular since the X6. There's a SIM card slot or an SD. It's dual SIM. All right, well, that's fantastic. And we have a power button with fingerprint sensor, speakers. This is really nice, everyone. We're just going to power it up for the first time to show you that it is in color, even though you can already see the screen, it's in color. Unfortunately, they are not using K3, they're using K2, which means they're not using Kaleido 3, they're using Plus. Mu Ink with the Read Mu is actually using Kaleido 3, and that will be coming up soon. I gotta say, I don't know if it's intentional or not, but more manufacturers are making it easier to start your device without going through the rigorous calibration process. It looks like we got color, everybody. Looks like we got English, everybody. Bigme has made leaps and bounds above what they once were, and they have adapted to becoming an international player. You can see it has 4G, it has stylus support. This thing is looking really nice. We love Bigme, we love Onyx, we love MeBook, we love King Jim, we love High Read, we love all these companies. It's a fantastic world we live in to see everyone trying their shot, and there's enough room in the industry for everyone. This is everything that comes in the box with the Bigme S6 Color, the second color release of 2021. More to come from GoodyReader.com, and for another unboxing, this is Peter.